Hey guys, Sam with Old School Rides, and today I'm going to show you my 1970 Challenger that we're going to compete in the RattE-Body Challenge in Las Vegas, Nevada next year. It's going to be a lot of work, but it looks really awesome and it's going to be a ton of fun to compete with the boys, so I'll show you guys around. So this is the Challenger that I'm going to be using in the event next year. It's very bare boned, no engine, no transmission, but it is very solid. It's a great body. It's gonna be a ton of fun to do. The only thing I really noticed so far is this rust we got in the inner fender wells. We're gonna have to get that patched and done up right. And then we got the dash. And I don't know if it was a fire or what, but I've never seen a dash end up this way. Came out such a weird way, but I'll either have to get a new one or just find an old one and fix it up good enough just to use for the event. But it's got great colors on it. It's a burnt orange car with burnt orange interior, which is actually one of my favorite color combos, like my 70 Super B. But they had a little black paint job on it, and so also gonna have to fix the roof a little bit. It's got a little dent, but other than that, it's a great car. It's gonna be a ton of fun. It is a lot of work, but it'll be even more fun to have it done and looking just like this with a brand new engine. So I'm just gonna start by getting this cleaned out. Door opens like it's brand new. Figure out what all I got, what all I'm gonna need to find, and start from there, and then we can get it cleaned up, vacuumed and washed, and see how much work we actually got for ourselves. So I got most of the things that looked important out of here. I'm gonna pull the dash out in a second and the seats, clean out all the rest of the trash and leaves and gunk. But looks like we got quite a few parts. We actually got a front bumper, match our rear bumper, and a bunch of panels. It looks like they parted out a black interior car because half the interior is black and half of it is orange. But the orange panels are on the inside of this still, so. Anyways, get this dash out and seats and we'll show you then. Now we got both seats out, the dash. It's looking pretty stripped. I gotta get the back seat out. But we were worried maybe this is a welded piece of metal, but lucky enough, just a piece of rubber mat. Gonna have to make sure all this is still solid enough to use, but it's better than having a hole in the floor and just a welded piece of metal in there. But now we can take a look in the trunk and see what we got in here. Use a screwdriver. And we got a grill. Actually a rocker chrome for the inside. So I was worried I was gonna have to find some of those, but a bunch more of the trim from that black car and hood hinges, so pretty good stuff. And there's the original color, burnt orange. Getting pretty close to having it fully stripped and cleaned out. Got a lot of trash to throw away, and not sure how hard that seat's gonna be to get out, but it's looking really good. Getting me really excited to finally drive this thing, or not even close to drive it, but just at least get it stripped down and sent, put the motor in it, and just dreaming over here, so we'll see how it goes. So back seat's out, and it basically just fell out. Wasn't too hard to get out at all. And then I got the trunk completely cleaned out, and it's pretty solid. Don't think I'm gonna have to get any work done to it, but that color, I really like that color. So, but anyways, I'm excited. Don't know how much. I got little speckles here, actually, I just noticed. So we'll see what we got to get done once we get this fully cleaned out and vacuumed and pressure washed or whatever we got to do. But it is very exciting. But here we go. So I'm in the car getting all the glass cleaned out of it. I got a large majority of it in that trash bag now, and I noticed these keys were here, buried in all the glass. And fortunately, they are the correct keys. So definitely not going to start right now, but it's at least good to have them for getting the car around and eventually when I'm ready to get this thing started. But I'm gonna get back to finishing up cleaning this out. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you one more walkthrough. Got the dash out, seats out, back seat. Got a little more stuff to clean up. Gonna have to get a shop vac out here and clean the rest of this up and pressure wash it. See what else, but other than that, the floors are looking really solid. I'm not seeing any holes, but until we get it all out, I'm not sure. And then got the trunk cleaned out. Saw a couple holes here earlier, but other than that, it's a very solid car. Got quite a bit done today, but hopefully next time you guys see it, it'll be going off to get the inner fender wells fixed in here. Because until then, I'm not sure what else I should do. I could be building the motor. May do a video on that for you guys. Got a little something special planned for the motor, but keep it a little secret so you guys, until we get a little closer. And then got my pile of junk over here that I pulled out of it. Quite a bit of stuff. Not sure what I'll be able to use, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna use this grill. It's got little dings here and there, but it's pretty nice. And it'll work perfectly for what we're doing with the RattE-Bodies. But can't wait for muscle cars of the strip next year. And can't wait to see how many cars actually show up, but no matter what, the three of us will have some pretty cool cars coming out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have to get a plan figured out for what I'm gonna do exactly next, but I'll keep you guys updated and send some videos your way.